Yo, it's your boy, the end of a boy. As you can see, me with my friends. My friends are here. As you can see, tunaelekea beach. Unaona, kuna marafiki zangu hapa. Hii ni barabara ya beach. Kama unavyoona, sasa tunavyoenda napita hapo barabarani. Fahamu downtown in the city, town city. Mapire boy. Buja City Market. Kuna hivyo wana kote tumezeneza pati ya ngorego. Mapire boy. Hapa tunaenda beach, tunaenda kuogelea. Wale ambao hawajui the content kabisa.
My family muendelee kutusupport. Wake light is here. Follow.
Mapira sasa kesa. Ati easy here. Easy. Unajua easy here? Unajua easy here inamaanisha nini?
Supporting is here.
Ngwizi here. Easy. Is here.
Support is here. I'm coming and the like and subscribe and follow. Femi and subscribe. To go together and
we are here with the
to bigger content moja kali safi. That will make everybody in Kenya enjoy the whole day. Yes.
Oh shit.
Hey.
Tunageuka mmoja mmoja.
Welcome.
Tunasemaje?
Wakaribishe sasa.
Tunasemaje?
Yani tupiga ma story tu kwa
tunapiga story.
Welcome to the sawa, piga sasa.
Nani anapiga welcome? Ni wewe?
Sawa. Msanii wa welcome. I am coming easy to follow and like man. You.
Welcome to Kenya. Welcome to beach. The Mapire boys team. Here is the Mapire. Here is the Pablo. Here is the Calvin Shroff.
Shroff msanii ende tunampeleka beach kupiga
yo.
Alafu tulete message hapo.
We are going to beach to piga one content too. Then we post it for 1212.
Mashabiki muendelee kutusupport, kufanya maraiki na follow na
subscribe. We need you to follow us, subscribe, then like.
Yes.
Yeah.
Aya. Atakuja kuwashukuru baadaye, si ndio?
So far so good. We are going on well. We are here with the Mapire boy.
I am coming
with Calvin Shroff.
No, never give
Pablo.
I touch Shroff.
Pablo mwenyewe.
Kenya kutoka vichochoroni kwenda wapi? Kwenda beach izi ende kuogelea. How sio?
Yeah.
That's it. You never. I am coming and to go and together.
To go together. We shall go together. We are going to swim a little bit. Then we shall come back to our homes. Then we will Bra.
You never give up coming and follow to subscribe mashabiki zetu. Thank you. Tuagie kuri beach Koga. Twende tuogelee muone mazuri ya baharini huko Mombasa, au sio? Oya genge.
Sasa nataka aanze vizuri smart. Aanze vizuri na
Hiyo isimamishe sasa.